Xposed Framework is a groundbreaking development that lets rooted Android users to get features that are otherwise available only via mods and custom ROMs. It further expands the potential of a device, giving you the ability to run apps that modify the core of the OS and to do things not otherwise possible. What if I told you that now even non-rooted Android phones can run Xposed Framework and use Xposed modules on their device? Excited? So without further ado, let's get started. An XDA junior developer recently wrote an app called Virtual Xposed. You can install it like a normal app, no need of root or any other system privileges. Virtual Xposed is like a virtual environment. In this virtual world, all apps are running with the same UID. Then we can load Xposed module for any process within it. Go to the link in the description below and download the app and install it on your Android device. You must enable unknown sources as it's a third-party app. Virtual Xposed will show up as Launcher 3 on your home screen. Open it and you will see a new home screen. This is the virtual environment where it runs all the modules. Swipe up and you will see the Virtual Xposed Framework on the app drawer. It looks and feels exactly like the Xposed Framework, and now you can download any module and try them on your non-rooted Android device. Just pressing the home button takes you back to the old home screen. So now any non-rooted Android user can experience the Xposed Framework and tweak their device to the extreme. So that's it guys. If you like my video, give us a thumbs up, and if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and tap on the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.